How to update Jelos on Powkiddy X55. Step 1. Download the update file. Click the link to access the update file for Powkiddy X55. Scroll down and download the file. It may take some time. Step 2. Move the file to the SD card. After downloading, locate the file, ends with tar. Insert your Powkiddy X55's SD card into your computer. Move the file to an empty folder like 3do for easier access. Step 3. Insert the SD card into Powkiddy X55. Safely remove the SD card from your computer. Insert it back into your Powkiddy X55. Step 4. Access File Manager. Turn on your Powkiddy X55. Go to Tools File Manager. Step 5. Find and cut the update file. Navigate to the folder where you saved the tar file e.g. 3do. Select the file by pressing A. Press X to cut the file. Step 6. Paste the file into the Storage Update folder. Go back to the main directory. Find and open the Storage Update folder. Press X to paste the file. Step 7. Wait for the file transfer. The file will transfer to the correct folder. This may take around a minute. Step 8. Restart the Powkiddy X55. Once the file transfer is complete, press X to exit. Go back to the main menu and restart the system. Step 9. Finish the update. After restarting, the system will automatically update Jelos. It will notify you when the update is done.